Hi everyone, my name is Nadina. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, please do so. They're about my background, where I'm from, what I'm doing on this channel, and so on. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more. So today I'm actually going to talk about something crypto related. I stumbled over a article where it's announced that the Web3 Foundation will collaborate with the World Association of News Publishers to work on a pilot project that tries to figure out a way, tries to see if there is a way that Web3 can support and facilitate publishing of news and so on. So I'm actually surprised I haven't heard about the Web3 Foundation yet. Maybe it's just my ignorance, but it's actually huge. Let me know in the comments if you have ever heard before from them, or what's your take on it. But yeah, when you actually go to their website, they are located in Switzerland, which I was quite surprised by and kind of happy about it because that's where I'm from. But yeah, it's basically, when you read their mission, it's to nurture cutting-edge applications for decentralized web software protocols, and that their passion is delivering Web3, a decentralized and fair internet where users control their own data, identity, and destiny. And yeah, when you look at the research, as you can see here, the team is primarily located in Switzerland, and they're researching on decentralized algorithms, consensus, optimization, game theory, cryptography, and networking. And what I was very surprised by when I went into projects and I saw that the Web3 Foundation's flagship project is Polkadot, and I'm sure you have heard of that, so that's pretty huge. So I was very surprised that I haven't heard about the Web3 Foundation that's behind Polkadot. But yeah, they're also working on other things. I'm not going to review these projects here, but they're pretty huge and active. And so now they're actually working with this World Association of News Publishers and a researcher in Oxford. He is an award-winning journalist and researches on different kind of things. But they're actually starting a pilot project to research how Web3 could help to fight fake news, which is pretty huge. I think it's a really cool idea. I have no idea how they will want to implement that exactly, but for example, what they could do is that you have sort of news articles published in form of an NFT, and you have these verified sources that do release that information and those facts, or an analysis, and you can verify on a blockchain exactly where the news article comes from, and then you could use some sort of consensus algorithm again, or a sort of a governance-based system where trusted news sources can accept or reject any new articles. So you could have kind of a verification that is completely decentralized, so you don't have these huge media companies like Fox News, CNN, BBC, that sort of control what people get their news from and what kind of news they're getting. So it's possible that more independent journalists might be able to publish their articles, and through NFTs, there could be a financial incentive through that as well. So that sounds pretty cool, because then it's exactly similar. It's similar to when the problem that NFT solves with the artists and artwork, or musicians publishing their songs, that they kind of have to rely on these huge production companies or galleries that basically set the price and take a huge cut from it. And they obviously have influence on what they're producing. So I know that musicians are very much pressured by their producers, what type of music they make, and how they release it, how the show is going to be. And the same thing for the artwork too. So you have these galleries controlling and sort of controlling the price and type of artwork that is going to be shown. And so NFTs are a completely different way, where it's decentralized, and artists and musicians can publish their work without a middleman, but they can get rewarded. They can get royalties over a lifetime for their work and for having produced that original art piece. And so it could be similar for news articles, essentially. So you won't have any more these news companies pressuring journalists what they can publish and what they can't, censor things and not publishing things. So that could be huge in the future, when independent journalists can publish their work through a Web3 application on a blockchain. And the facts the articles are based on could also be then linked on the blockchain as well. So you could immediately verify whether that had been published in a trusted and verified way, or if it's just made up information. So that could be huge in the future. I thought it's a really cool project, and I'm really curious where that's going. Maybe in the future I will update you on where this is going. So it's really in the initial stages. So they just have a pilot study where they have apparently 3 different publishers participating to see how they could work with the journalists and blockchain applications to make that happen. So I was pretty excited to read about this. I was excited to learn about Web3 Foundation, which I didn't know about. So I hope you found it interesting as well. If you did, give me a like and subscribe for some new videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.